Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. They eat dinner together. They eat dinner together. I swim in the lake. I swim in the lake. He kicks the ball. He kicks the ball. The birds sing sweetly. The birds sing sweetly. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. They walk hand in hand. They walk hand in hand. She waits for the bus. She waits for the bus. The fire burns brightly. The fire burns brightly. She knit a sweater. She knit a sweater. I fold the laundry. I fold the laundry. The clock ticks quietly. The clock ticks quietly. They watch the sunset. They watch the sunset. I laugh on the joke. I laugh on the joke. She writes a poem. She writes a poem. We play chess. We play chess. I pack my bag. She smiles warmly. She smiles warmly. The child cries softly. The child cries softly. He walked to the park. He walked to the park. He drives to work. He drives to work. He drinks coffee. He drinks coffee. We plan the trip. We plan the trip. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. She washes the dishes. She washes the dishes. He catches the ball. He catches the ball. The dog wags its tail. The dog wags its tail. She prepares breakfast. She prepares breakfast. I sleep early. I sleep early. I fix the computer. I fix the computer. I catch the bus. I catch the bus.